I welcome you to this video. Today we're going to talk about how to set up our menu. To do that, we have to go to Appearance. From Appearance, we head over to Menu and we click on Menu. If you look at Classiera very well, you can see Add a Menu here. That means we have option of adding a menu here, and also when you go down, you can also replace these social icon buttons with a menu. And the last but not the least, when you are on a mobile view, you also have the option of adding a menu to your mobile view. So there are three places we can add a menu. So let's see how to work in achieving those menus in those three locations. First thing we need to do is go to Manage Locations. I click on that. From here are the three locations I talked about, and you can see no menu is assigned to any of these locations. So I start from the primary menu, I drop this down and I choose Main Menu. That main menu is going to appear at the top. Then for the mobile menu, I'm going to also choose the main menu because I want the same thing to appear on the mobile and on the desktop view. For the footer menu, I will just select footer menu, and that's all, and I hit Save Changes. And when that is done, as you can see here, I head over to Edit Menu. Now that we have set our menu locations, let's go and see if we can find any changes. So from here, I'm going to reload. Remember, we have Add a Menu here. So now we can see our menus appear at the top, and for the bottom, nothing. So when I switch to a mobile view, I'm still going to have this menu appearing here because I have set this menu to appear on mobile view as well. We can easily choose the menu we want to edit and say select, or we can manage with live preview. Let's check manage with live preview. So we're here. So what we can do here is this. We have the main menu and the footer menu. We click on main menu. These are menus on the main menu. Here says add an item. We can click on that. Then if you look at everything here, it could be added as a menu. For example, if we want to add any page to our menu, for example, checkout, I will simply click on this plus icon and look at the checkout. It's been added already. So that is under pages. Then if you go under post, we could add any post as a menu. Example, use BMW cars has been added as a menu. So that is one easy way to do this. If you want anything on category to be added as a menu, you can do that. And a good way is using tags. For example, I'm going to add iPhone laptop, and that is it here. So at the end of the day, I'm going to say publish, and when I go to this place and look at what I just added as a menu. So this is one way to add to our menu. Now the second way is to go back and repeat what we have just done on these edit menus. But first, I need to choose the menu I want to use, and I say select. Here I've chosen the main menu. So here is the car and the laptop we just added. I can also get rid of them over here by clicking on this drop down and say remove. Same thing goes for the car, and say remove. Now when I click on delete menu, everything here is going to be deleted. I can also say box select, and I'll check the menus I want to edit. I can check on this, on all of them, and say remove selected items. So let me quickly add something to our menu. I can decide to add others, and it's being added. Then if I want to add any page, I can choose shop and say add to menu. And here is shop being added. So this is basically how to add an item to your menu. Now remember, we are talking about the main menu. So let's see the feature menu, which can be added to this place. Now we come to this place, I choose footer menu, and I say select. And here is my footer menu. You can see it says add menu items from the column on the left. It means nothing is added, so I'm going to add a menu to the footer. For example, I can choose my account, sample page, and shop, and say add to menu. So this is what I have here. I'm going to click on save menu. And I'm going to check by going to my home page and reload. I'm expected to see my footer menus on this same location where I have my social media icons. But on getting to this place, you can see that the menus are not here. So this is what I need to do. I will head to Classiera options and the layout manager, and I'm going to click on it. And I'm getting to this place. I will scroll down and look at footer bottom style. It is selected to social icons. So I'm going to change that to menu, and I say save changes. And when that is done, I can go back to my home page and reload. And this time around, I have my account, shop, sample page, which I have set as my footer menu. As you can see here. So in a nutshell, when you come to this side, it shows that every item you have below this can be added as a menu. If you want to have account details as a menu, it could be added. Just name it. If you want to have a post as a menu, it could also be added. Is it categories? It could be added. And if you want to add any page to your menu, this is where you choose that page and you click on add to the menu. Since you have two menus, sometimes you might need a special menu that you want to be using from time to time, or you might need a special menu that you want to interchange. So let's see how to create a third menu. So we simply say create a new menu, and here you're going to give the menu a name. So let's just give it a name, maybe a menu we want to use at a special time of the year or anything at all. then we go and say create menu. And on that menu, let's quickly add few things. And after that, we say save menu. So at the end of the day, we have more than 2 menus here. If I want to apply this menu I just created to any part of my website, such as the feature, this is what I'm going to do. With the menu selected, I go down here and I say feature menu and I save it. So when I come here, the feature menu has been assigned to December and no longer assigned to feature menu. So let's go reload the site and see I have the menus I just created displaying here. So what does this mean? You could have more than 2 menus on your website and you interchange them when you like and how you like. Creating menu is a way of allowing visitors to navigate on our website the proper way. So never you feel reluctant in creating menus, because those are the things your site users are going to click on in order to navigate your website and have a good user experience. I'm going to go back now and select footer menu. I want to make that menu available. So I'll select footer menu and I click save. When I go back to my home page, I have the previous menu there. So this is basically how to maneuver your way around menu. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.